Hello everyone, this is Dr. Cui. In this video, I'm going to talk about those details during the interview or what kind of details you need to pay attention. So I hope you can succeed after knowing this during the interview. So first, be confident. Don't think any consequences of this interview. Just focus on what you are doing. So don't think too much about the result. What if you cannot perform very well, or what if you cannot match? Don't think anything about that. Just be confident and be happy and enjoy the interview. And treat the interviewer as your friend. Don't think them as a big guy or big people who can who can determine your future or something like that. Just treat them as your old friend and say hello to them first and be active and get yourself involved in the conversation. And also check the interviewer's face. If this shows that they are not interested in your conversation, just try your best to stop it as soon as possible and go to the next topic. If you don't know how to answer their questions, you can just tell them, like, can you give me a couple of seconds? Let me think about that. And still, if you still cannot come up with a good answer, you can tell them that I'm sorry, I cannot give you a good answer for now. Would you mind if I send the answer to you? Send your message after this interview if I can come up with a good answer. So most of people uh, will accept that. So just as I mentioned, just treat them as your old friend, and and just be yourself during the interview, and don't constantly talking. Pay attention to the time. Also, sometimes if you constantly talking too much, people will get bothered, feel very bothered, boring, feel very boring. So you need to pay attention to time. As I always mentioned, try to uh, try to shrink your answer within just 1 to 2 minutes. If you have too much things to talk about, no more than 3 minutes. So don't expect all questions that you prepared, and you need, if they ask you some questions you never met before. So just try your best to adapt quickly and apply your answer from other questions you prepare for to this question. Or you need to work on your own if you think you can do that. So actually, it really depends on how many questions you prepared before and how many times you practice with your friends. So from this moment, every hard work you have done before will get paid. Actually, all those stories, questions, you need to try your best to incorporate into your answers, and also always make sure add a reflection at the end of each story to let people know you better, know your personality and the characters, and also be polite to everyone and respect the opposite opinions if they don't agree with you. And I know sometimes people will get nervous during the interview, so just control yourself. Be polite. Sometimes just uh, people sometimes during the interview, people cannot control their mood very well. Will get someone will get nervous. So just try yourself to control your mood. And if that anyone question you, you should be polite and address their concerns polite, politely. So that's all for this. That's all of suggestion I can give to you for now. And also as I always mention, try your best to organize your answer well. Give them, you need to let them know that you are not organized people. You know how to answer it, answer their questions appropriately, and also give the information to the interviewer they want to know. Don't give them the don't give them the wrong answers or give them the other answers for their questions. Answer their questions appropriately. And don't be panic if it's cut off in the middle, because some programs will only give you like 15 to 20 minutes for during the interview. There's a timer there, so you probably will be cut off in the middle. So don't be panic and just prepare for the interview with the next interviewer. And also, as I always mention, control your mood. Just be polite and don't get nervous or show any negative emotions during the interview. So, so, so this is the last word I can give to you. Just be yourself and impress the interviewers. So good luck.